Hello, today we will guide you through how to activate Ryanair discount. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the Erasmus discount available for eligible students. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to submit your details so the discount is linked to your account for future bookings. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Ryanair website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the profile icon. It typically looks like a small person silhouette or an account circle. This is where all your personal settings and discount programs live. Click the profile icon to open the account menu. From there, choose My Account. If you're asked to sign in, use your existing credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your account area. Staying within the account section ensures the discount is tied to your profile, so you won't need to re-enter these details each time you book. Inside My Account, look for the Erasmus option. This is the dedicated area where you activate the student discount. Select Erasmus to open the form. You'll see fields for your personal details and your Erasmus or student verification information. Take a moment to have your documents handy so everything you enter is accurate. Carefully fill in the required details. Make sure the name you provide matches your travel identification exactly, including any middle names, because airlines use these details for ticketing and security checks. Enter your institution information and any student or Erasmus-related identifiers requested. Double-check your study period or eligibility dates, and confirm your contact information is correct so you can receive any confirmations. Accuracy here helps prevent issues later when you search for fares or complete a booking. When all fields are complete, review the information one more time and then select Submit. After submitting, you should see a confirmation on screen indicating that your details have been received. In some cases, there may be a brief verification period. Once activated, the Erasmus discount becomes part of your account, and eligible fares will reflect the benefit when you're signed in and searching for flights. Keep in mind that discounts are typically subject to conditions such as specific routes, travel windows, or advanced purchase requirements, so always review the fare rules shown during booking. That's it. You've gone to the Ryanair site, opened your profile, navigated to My Account, selected Erasmus, filled in the details, and submitted your information. You're ready to enjoy your student savings on upcoming trips.